gotta take it, so I break it. Something that
Why are you guys filming my son?
nobody
Good.
could.
I know.
Nobody.
Learn from the best.
Not you, the daddy.
Oh, daddy. I love you, sis.
Who's your daddy?
Not you.
Your girlfriend? Oh my god, Lala, you're making me so jealous right now.
It's Thor. Oh, Lala.
I know.
Thor. Wait, okay.
I'm buying it off, but I'm gonna be really honest with you. This is my iPod. I'm carrying you with me everywhere I go.
That's my human iPod.
They jump on. Baby, I'm falling for you.
Oh, Chole!
Baby, I'm falling for you. Tell me what are you fighting for? Is it something that you really believe in? Or is it just a metaphor? Like it, that you're just on the floor. If I'm fighting, you're fighting for reasons. Like being a better man. And if I had to be like a fire, baby.
Why you always gonna make your eyebrow like that when you sing?
I'm fighting for love. I'm fighting for love. I'm fighting for love. Yeah. I'm fighting for love. I'm fighting for love. I'm fighting for love.
Like girl finger.
Tell me what you're fighting for. Is it something that you need? Or is it just a little piece of you? Like your brand new diamond. Cause if I'm fighting, I ain't fighting for a piece of gold. I'm fighting for the natural. And if I have to break like a bird, baby, love is my religion. Cause I'm fighting for love. 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 A billionaire, Breaking Bad.
Too bad.
Done that.
Too bad.
Wanna be in the cover of
I thought you said Thor.
Oprah and